is like a community garden in Borrego Springs. Those trees aren't looking too hot. Oh wow, all kinds of infos. Very cool.
Yeah, lots of rosemary.
So do they pay for their plot, or is it just a free-for-all type of
I
thing?
have no idea.
Huh.
I don't know.
Doesn't look very active right now.
Well, it is winter, but it's a good growing season here
Yeah.
for a lot of things. In fact, this one here, somebody's got some stuff getting ready to go. This is damp. One of the sprouts coming up. Damp. Yeah, there's little sprouts coming up here.
Oh, very cool.
Has a plot here. He just got set up to go. So we can see. Oh, so those are
Oh, so we have different sizes here. These are real small. Ah, here's one that's planted. Very nice.
Yeah, big strawberries there. And this one's
Oh yeah, that's a cute one.
Lorraine Arts Sunny Sprouts. So, yeah, this is a private. And they got some stuff coming on. Look at these strawberries over here. These are looking good.
Oh, they got some onions back there.
Nectarine tree. There's a lot of. Well, these look like they're losing their leaves for the winter.
Yeah.
Nectarine. And I don't think they're supposed to. Well, maybe it's a variety that does even in the desert. This plot doesn't look all that impressive.
Peach trees.
There that looks quite tended, and it's going to be doing some new stuff.
Big trees. There's some figs right there. Oops. I didn't mean for that to happen. I don't know, the trees look like either they got too cold or not enough water. I don't know. The community compost bin is up here, right in that area.
This one's starting to work. This one's done.
Ah, we're in different stages here. Very cool. Oh yeah, that's cute. I don't think I want to sail in that ship. Ow!
See, some people have some pretty sophisticated water systems.
Yeah.
Others don't.
There's some onion sets back there. Cucumber. I can't read any more of them right now. Celery here.
Yeah, did you think that was cucumber in the middle?
No, cucumber's back there.
Oh, yeah, okay. What's in the middle?
Celery, the onion sets are over here.
I couldn't decide what this was.
Yeah, I don't know. I can't read it.
In the middle?
It looks like dandelions or something. It's some kind of lettuce, I think.
Probably. Oh, and traps.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, mousy traps. Rat traps. And rat traps.
Huh.
That one trap has snapped. It needs to be reset. And upside down tomato plants.
Oh, yeah.
I used to grow those. Oh.
I always thought it was neat, but I never grew any. And there's some tomatoes growing there in that corner.
Yeah. I did it myself with 5-gallon buckets.
Oh, wow. Okay.
It was a project.
I bet.
And then here's
This is their escape learning lab. Makes sense because these things don't need a lot of water. That's why it's a xeriscape. Soil studies.
Oh, here's a story about it. You might want to take a picture of that.
Cold igloo. We've got a warm igloo. I assume it's a pizza oven. Pretty cool, huh? Eat healthy, cook creatively. Here we got some good gardens going. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy body. That's what that sign says.
Much better.
Balance.
This must be the art park itself. Yeah. Yeah, they look much better. These does too. That's the thing. Yeah. It's not a real spot. Yeah, it's Black Widow. Yeah.
Yeah, these plots are going pretty good. Eat what grows. It says carrot country, rabbits keep out. There's some lavender growing there. All kinds of aloe vera, mint. Food forests, prickly food forest. It looks like they've got the spines off. How's that happen? Is it natural that way?
I guess it is. Well, no, see, some of them have some little spines.
Yeah, see, I think somebody comes and picks them off or something.
I don't know.
I don't know either. Got lots of mint growing. Happy solstice. Check out the new art park sundial marked for time of day and yearly sun pattern surrounding the solstice are the longest nights, longest sun, and longest shadows. Enjoy the shadows and seasons. I'm not sure where that sundial is. Frugal shopping today. Thrift storing in Borrego Springs. I used to have a store like that, except for mine opened. Cool. Don't have room for things like that, but it's still cool, except for it's missing a lid.
Oh, wait.
vintage gloves. They have vintage gloves.
Wow.
Oops. Cute shelf. Those are cute.